everyone, welcome back to Traveling Taste Buds. Today we will be highlighting the city of Chicago. Chicago is known as the Windy City. It's a vibrant, cultural, diverse metropolis located in the heart of the United States. It is the largest city in Illinois. The legend is that the Windy City is actually a result of the hot air blown from the shady politicians. Renowned for its iconic skyline, Chicago is a city of architectural marvels, with towering skyscrapers like the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, and the John Hancock Center dominating the horizon. The city's rich history is evident in its numerous architectural styles, from the elegant Beaux Arts building of the early 20th century to the sleek modernist design of the present day. Beyond its impressive architecture, Chicago offers a wealth of attractions and activities. The city is a hub for the arts and world-class museums like the Art Institute of Chicago, which houses an extensive collection spanning thousands of years. Music lovers flock to Chicago for its legendary blues and jazz scene, which thrives in historic venues such as Buddy Guy's Legend and the Green Mill Cocktail Lounge. Additionally, sports enthusiasts find solace in the city's unwavering passion for teams like the Chicago Cubs, the Chicago Bulls, and the Chicago Bears. With its diverse neighborhoods, delicious deep dish pizza, and lively festivals like the Taste of Chicago, Chicago is a city that captivates visitors with its unique blend of history, culture, and urban charm. Visiting Chicago, there are several must-see places that showcase the city's charm and cultural richness. Here are the top 6 places to visit in Chicago. Millennium Park. It is located in the heart of downtown, and Millennium Park is a stunning urban oasis that offers a range of attractions. You can marvel at the Cloud Gate, also known as the Bean. It is a reflective sculpture that has become an iconic symbol of the city. Enjoy free concerts at the J. Pritzker Pavilion or take a leisurely stroll through the Lurie Garden. The park is also home to the Crown Fountain, where you can see the faces of Chicagoans projected onto giant LED screens. Art Institute of Chicago is one of the oldest and largest art museums in the United States. The Art Institute of Chicago is a must-visit for art enthusiasts. Explore its extensive collection, which spans thousands of years, including works of art by renowned artists such as Monet, Van Gogh, and Picasso. The museum's diverse exhibitions, ranging from ancient artifacts to contemporary pieces, provide a comprehensive artistic experience. Navy Pier stretches along Lake Michigan. Navy Pier is a lively entertainment destination with something for everyone. Take a ride on the iconic Ferris wheel for breathtaking views of the city skyline and lake. Explore the IMAX Theater, enjoy live performances at the Chicago Shakespeare Theater, or indulge in the many dining options available. With fireworks displays, seasonal events, and attractions like the Children's Museum, Navy Pier offers fun and excitement all year round. Magnificent Mile is located in Michigan Avenue. The Magnificent Mile is a shopper's paradise and a bustling hub of activity. This upscale shopping district features a wide array of luxury boutiques, department stores, and flagship brands. Alongside the shopping, visitors can admire the magnificent architecture, including the historic Wrigley Building and the iconic Tribune Tower. The Magnificent Mile is also home to numerous fine dining establishments, which makes it a perfect spot for a delightful culinary experience. Lincoln Park is a beautiful and expansive urban park. It offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the lakefront trail, Visit the Lincoln Park Zoo, which offers free admission, or explore the charming gardens and nature preserves within the park. Lincoln Park also houses the Lincoln Park Conservatory, which is a stunning glass house filled with exotic plants and flowers. With its scenic views, recreational activities, and cultural attractions, Lincoln Park is a favorite among both locals and tourists alike. Formerly known as the Sears Tower, the Willis Tower is an iconic skyscraper that dominates the Chicago skyline. It offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond from its observation deck called Sky Deck. The Sky Deck features the ledge, which is a glass balcony that extends from the building, giving visitors a thrilling experience. In addition to these attractions, the Loop is also home to renowned theaters, shopping destinations like State Street, historic buildings like the Chicago Board of Trade, and a wide range of dining options from casual eateries to upscale restaurants. With its blend of culture, architecture, and entertainment, the Loop is a vibrant and dynamic area that captures the essence of Chicago. These attractions provide a fantastic starting point for exploring the vibrant city of Chicago and experiencing its unique blend of art, culture, and natural beauty. A cultural tour that I would highly recommend is the Chicago's Original Gangster Tour. This tour explores Chicago's notorious past in a 2-hour bus tour of Prohibition-era mobster hangouts. Chicago is a renowned culinary destination offering a diverse range of dining experiences. And here are the top 5 places to eat in Chicago, each place offering its own distinct flavor and atmosphere. 1 is the Weber Grill Restaurant. This is a casually refined venue for steaks, burgers, and ribs cooked on giant Weber grills. The Wishbone is where you can find soul food with a Cajun twist, and this is one of Oprah's favorite restaurants, so you might want to check it out. Lou Malnati's Pizzeria is famous in Chicago for its deep dish pizza. Portillo's, a beloved fast food casual chain that has been serving up classic Chicago-style hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches, is also another place to check out. Number 5 is the Publican. The Publican is a rustic and lively gastropub that celebrates the communal spirit of a European beer hall. These 5 dining establishments offer an array of culinary experiences from high-end to iconic Chicago staples. Whether you're seeking fine dining elegance or crave the flavors of classic Chicago cuisine, these restaurants are sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you with a memorable dining experience. So that's it from me today. If you found some value in this video, please let me know by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload new videos. So get out there and explore this amazing world that we live in. Remember, the best life you can live is to live the life of your dreams. So thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.